Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Today's video we're going to be unboxing a 2023 quarter ounce Gold Britannia. Well, I ordered this because I'm still currently ordering fractional gold at the moment. I want to complete the amount of gold in regards to quarter ounce Gold Britannias that I'm after, and that's 4. I want 4 quarter ounce Gold Britannias to basically make the equivalent of an ounce, and then after that I'm going to move on to an ounce of gold. I also did get a 1 ounce Silver Britannia with my order, as it was a referral, and spending over £250 you get a free 1 ounce Silver Britannia. So lovely. Let's take a quick look at that. Beautiful 2023 1 ounce Silver Britannia. Can't get enough of these. Absolutely love them. I really like those. But let's look at the quarter ounce Gold Britannia, the first 2023 piece in regards to these specific pieces. Beautiful design. Oh, lovely. Absolutely lovely. It doesn't look any different from the 2022 piece that I've got. Just the same, except it's got the newer date. I do think, though, that this could be the very last quarter ounce Gold Britannia with the Queen on. You know, because she's died now. King Charles III is now King of England, so I don't see them making a 2024 piece of this particular quarter ounce Gold Britannia. So could possibly be a very good investment, as it's going to be the last, I believe, of its kind with the Queen on the back. So I'm due to get 2 more of these because I want to make an ounce of gold basically in my quarter ounce fractional stack. But it's a coin I absolutely love. I think the premiums for the value you get for these are the best in terms of fractional gold. Yeah, definitely be ordering some more of these. Hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. Please click the like button and leave a comment below if you've enjoyed, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to see more content. For shorter versions of our content, head over to our Instagram, TikTok and Twitter pages. We post on there daily. So until next time, I'll see you in the very next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.